Katy Perry is here to prove it. Yep, the pop queen of fireworks, teenage dreams, and whipped cream bras is now adding battle scars to her list of on-tour achievements. In a Friday Instagram post, Katy gave fans a behind-the-scenes peek at her lifetime's tour, complete with glam shots, sweet family moments, and two knees that look like they've been through a WWE Championship match. Apparently, these were the result of a dramatic slide-on-the-knees dance move that usually gets the crowd screaming yes, but this time had Katy herself screaming, "Ow, my joints." Her friend, in true BFF fashion, hit her with the ultimate clapback. And just like that, she's in her 40s. Brutal. Accurate. Beautiful. But this isn't Katy's first close call on tour. Just last month, she nearly plummeted off a flying stage prop in San Francisco. Did she panic? Well, yes, for a second. But then she pulled a total pro move, steadied herself, kept singing, and turned near disaster into just another Tuesday. Of course, between these injury reports, Katy also reminded fans she's a mom. She shared rare snaps of her daughter Daisy, including one adorable puppet show moment that was so cute it almost made us forget her mom's knees looked like they belonged to an extreme skateboarder. So today, we're diving into the chaos, comedy, and occasional carnage of Katy Perry's tour life, where the costumes are dazzling, the songs are iconic, and apparently, the first aid kit is working overtime. Buckle up, because this ride's about to get bumpy, literally. She'll cry about it later. Katy Perry showed off her brutally scraped knees she sustained while dancing on her Lifetime's tour in her Friday Instagram post. Among a lengthy collection of photos reflecting on her recent months spent on the road, Perry shared a photo of her legs with a set of nasty bruises and scrapes as she relaxed in a tub. In her follow-up photo, she explained how she managed to get the injuries with a screenshot of her text conversation with her friend Lauren Glucksman. "It was a slide on my knees mom, NT that usually makes them go on, it just made me go arg," the Dark Horse hitmaker, 40, wrote to Gluckman. The gal pal quipped back. And just like that, she's in her 40s. The injury isn't the first bump in the road the singer's faced on her world tour. Last month, she nearly fell from one of her flying props after it experienced a malfunction during her San Francisco show. Video of the incident showed a terrified Perry handle the situation like a true professional as she regained her composure and kept the show going after the mishap. At the time, a source told Page Six exclusively that the teenage dream songstress made it out of the incident with just a minor bump. She paused slightly but then kept singing, almost never missing a beat, said the insider. Elsewhere in her Friday carousel, she shared a rare glimpse of her daughter Daisy Dove Bloom, whom she shares with her ex Orlando Bloom. In the sixth snap, Daisy was pictured checking out the view from a tall building with her face and hands pressed to the glass. In another photo, the young tot, whose face is typically kept off of Perry's social media, was featured putting on a puppet show for her mom with a lion. "We continue to be on tour," Perry captioned her post. And that, folks, is the life of Katy Perry, part pop superstar, part fearless stuntwoman, and apparently part human crash test dummy. From sliding across the stage on her knees like a rock goddess, only to end up looking like she wrestled a cheese grater, to narrowly escaping mid-air prop malfunctions, Katy proves she's as unshakable as she is unpredictable. So whether she's battling malfunctioning stage gear or carpet burn level injuries, one thing's for sure, Katy Perry's Lifetime's tour is living up to its name. It's an experience her fans will remember for a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the next story. Thanks for watching.